It is almost Halloween, and if you are looking to eat, drink, and be scary with your kids this year, craft expert Denise Wild is here to help. We have some spooktacular ideas that we can do with the entire family. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
I love this time of year with you. You always have such good crafts and things. I go home and go, oh, I could do this.
You can do this. I've got some very easy things to do. The kids will love doing some spooky things, some silly things.
All right, let's start with the edible ones.
Yes, so this is an electric eyeball juice. You can see it looks very scary. So I've just got lychees or lychees and then red grapes inside to make the look of the eyeballs. You pop that in. This is a lemonade with ginger beer.
Good idea.
So it's got that pop of color. If you really need to, you can add some food coloring to make it even more electric. But then you have a delicious drink that's super fun.
It's really good.
Yeah, kids will enjoy making it. And then, of course, who doesn't love drinking eyeballs, right?
Yeah, well, it's Halloween. You gotta drink some eyeballs. I love this, and I will tell you, I was fooled at first. I thought this was a hunk of ground beef.
It does look, yes, it's very meaty. So this is an edible brain.
Perfect.
Made from puffed rice. Puffed rice squares. Basically, you make your puffed rice dessert, bunch it all up, mold it into a brain shape, and then we can use some icing here. So we've got some glittery white for the extra, gooey
Makes it look
inside.
tissuey, gooey.
Exactly. And some red for the veins. And then this is something, again, the kids enjoy doing it. Everybody loves eating it. You can put this on display or have everybody dig in. Oh, you're extra good with that. Let's give it a nice gooey one down the center, too.
Perfect.
So you can also paint with food coloring to give it that extra red across the top. So that's why.
Now, I actually made mine look like a hunk of ground beef because it looks like marbling. But you're right. You need the little You need the stuff for the brain.
Yeah. And then if you want your treats to taste extra good, put them in a pan with butter across the bottom, because then you get that extra amazingness.
I love that.
And double the marshmallows, so it gives lots of sweetness, lots of stickiness.
Hold its shape.
Love it. Yes.
Oh yeah, this one is a good one. All right, cookies are a hit no matter what time of year it is, and you brought some adorable ones.
This is really fun for younger kids. So these are monster cookies. You can take, if you don't have time to home make cookies, you can take existing store-bought ones or take a pre-made batter, and then just put popsicle sticks on the back using icing.
Oh, I'm going to sneak this one in here to show you how you did that.
Yeah. So that's just a decorator's gel. You can also use icing, and then we can decorate the top. Do you want to get in there?
I'm going to give you this color.
Okay.
I'm going to do the blue. I love the sort of Cookie Monster inspired one.
Right, so it's really fun to do, and they can make their own faces. Are we doing the same thing?
No, we are not. I'm trying to be original.
Add eyeballs, add glitter, whatever you want to do. Make it extra creepy. Oh, the bloodshot eyes are extra
Those are my favorite, and then these are my fangs.
Oh, the fangs. Oh, I like that. I like that. That's good.
There. Lots of fun. Okay, and then this is a really great idea.
Yeah, so this is a very simple project to make with things that you already have at home. So you can either take a bowl or even a basket. Maybe it's the Easter basket that you still have kicking around. Repurpose it. I've just used a spray glue and then spray the bowl. And then spray the bowl and then wrapped it with gauze. So the gauze comes around and then you can add eyeballs, add a little face, put some candles inside, or you can put your candy right in there for kids to reach from. Again, you can add a handle, use that for your basket too.
What I really like about this is if you have younger kids who get scared by some of the gore and the ghoulishness of Halloween, it makes it a little bit more fun, but still says Halloween.
Right, exactly. It's friendly, it's fun, it's approachable.
Yeah, and it's easy to do, and it looks nice on your centerpiece.
Very easy to do. The little pumpkin is made with tissue paper and adhesive foam shapes too.
Denise, you always give us such inspiration. Thanks for coming by, and happy Halloween.
Thank you, too.